Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retweet on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and create your account by clicking at sign in. But if you do have an account already, just go log in and let's get started. So first of all, let's just launch our Twitter. And then, as we said, we want to retweet maybe on Twitter. So let's just look for a tweet that we want to retweet. So just go and scroll down until you find something is good to be retweeted. So let's just maybe retweet this Barcelona tweet. So how can we retweet this? So it's simply by just going here, just maybe click at the tweet. As you can see here, we have four options. We have the comments option, the retweet option, the like option, and the share option. So if you want to retweet, just click this middle icon on the tweet. And as you can see here, you can quote this tweet or you can just retweet. So as we said, we want to retweet. So all we need to do, just click on this retweet and it will turn into green, of course. If you go back now, and head up to your profile by clicking at your icon at the top left corner, then click at your profile. As you can see, you will find it here. So if you want to remove the retweets, all you need to do, just click on this green icon and you can click at Indo retweets and it will not be on your profile again. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.